everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review on Lego set 60072 and it's the Demolition Experts starter set. As you can see, I have 3 of them. They come with 3 or 4 figures and they come with a Lego piece that looks like a broken bathroom with a toilet, and they come with the construction equipment as well. This is from 2015. Let's see. That's what they look like. I don't have all the minifigures together now, all the other parts, but I'll try and do another review with everything together. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.